Hello, my old school soul food, you Scoop subscribers. I'm Chef Jeffrey back for another video here. Today we're gonna be making breakfast. Or you can eat it for dinner. Or you can eat it for lunch. But it's not normally a breakfast item. It's old school soul food biscuits with sausage gravy. So quick, pretty much easy, pretty quick, pretty much easy like all my recipes are. So I'm gonna show you first I'm gonna do the biscuits. While the biscuits cooking, we're gonna do the gravy. Before I get started, like I always mention, I have a lot of videos on here. Please watch my other videos. Please subscribe to the channel. Click the little red button down there and alert button, and it'll alert you every time I upload a video. I try to upload a video at least once a week, sometimes 2 or 3 times, depending on how busy I am. So please do that and share my page. I'm on other social media outlets too. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, /Old School Soul Food. So let me get started here. I got gold medal flour here in the bowl here. I always use gold medal when I do my biscuits. Okay, I got a little baking powder. And also, these the description of the recipe is in my recipe is in the description of the video. So y'all just scroll down near the end of the video where you comment and all that, and I have the description of the recipe right there in the description of the video. Okay, I got baking powder in there. I added I'm adding, I like to use, sometimes I use straight Crisco shortening, sometimes I use straight butter, sometimes I use half and half. So I'm using half butter and half Crisco shortening. Just gonna cut that up. You can use a fork. I'm using my hands, kind of, incorporate it into the flour. See that? That's what you want. It's like cornmeal. You don't want to overmix. That's the key to when all my other biscuit videos you'll see. You don't want to overmix it. Okay. I'm gonna add my buttermilk here. Like I say, make sure you shake your buttermilk up before you use it, but sometimes it settles down at the bottom. You want to get all the good wholesomeness of the buttermilk. Y'all can see I'm not measuring. Like I said, I make biscuits 3-4 times a week. So I pretty much do this in my sleep. So a bit more. Like I said, I make them and I'll freeze them. I'll freeze them for my mother. I'll freeze them for myself. And anytime I want biscuits, I just pull some out of the freezer, throw them out, and they're ready. Like I said, that's a good way to do your biscuits. Okay. And the key, like I say, is not to overmix your biscuits. Those are ready. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put them out on the cutting board here. Make sure you put a lot of flour. Be very liberal with the flour because you don't want to stick to the board when you pour it out. So, do that. Go back on the board here. There we go. Okay. Like I say, that's the very important part, not to overmix the biscuits. Okay, flour underneath the bottom. And like I always say every time, I don't use a rolling pin. I just mash them out with my hand. Because I like my biscuits very high. You want to roll them out maybe 1/4 of an inch high. Maybe an inch high. And that's it. Okay. Get rid of the gloves. Okay, now Now we're gonna put them in the pan here. Like I said, I use a wider mouth glass because I like a bigger biscuit. So I don't use a biscuit cutter. I actually use a glass. I stick the glass into the flour so it don't stick to the rim. And just cut them out like that. See that? See how easy that is? Just say you should never have to buy biscuits in the store. Just make them from scratch. There we go. And just put them on your pan like this. How many we get here? Like I say, the key to a good biscuit is not to over mix it. And I like to do mine touching. There we go. Now, I'm gonna put a little oil on top. Like I say, this is something my mama always done. Put a little oil on top of them, help them brown. That's what she say. It helps them brown. So I always keep all the leftover bacon grease. And when I fry my chicken, leftover on my stove. So she did too. It's something I always do. I never throw away my oil. It's always valuable. Okay. We're gonna put these in the oven, 350 degrees, about 15-20 minutes. And I'm gonna clean up here for a second. We're gonna come back and make the gravy. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. I cleaned up a little. Now we're gonna make our old school sausage gravy to go with our biscuits. Biscuits in the oven. They've been in there about 5 minutes now. We got another 15 minutes or so to go. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna do some quick gravy here, which y'all probably have seen this already too on my YouTube channel. So, like I said, we're gonna make some gravy here. Okay, I'm gonna put some oil in the skillet, just a little oil for my sausage here. Like I said, I always keep oil here on my counter. I'm gonna put the sausage in here and the onions. I use a little onion. You don't have to use onions in it. I use just maybe like I said, the recipe's online on the page, but I use maybe not even a third a cup of onions. And I got what I got here is pan sausage that I broke up. So y'all can see this. Yeah, pan sausage that I crumbled up there. And we're gonna cook this off and brown it off here. You can use whatever sausage you like. I don't like spicy. If you like a more spicy gravy, you can use a spicy sausage. I just want to brown this off real good. The onion, we'll get the onions cooked good. Like I say, this recipe is so simple. So who doesn't like biscuits and sausage gravy for breakfast? Who doesn't like biscuits and gravy for breakfast? Can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with that. Try to break it up as small as possible. If you like a chunkier gravy, you can leave it chunky, but for mine I don't like that chunkiness. And when you break it up more, it cooks quicker, of course. I mean, that's common sense. Very simple and easy. And sometimes I do this in a blackened skillet. You can do whatever kind of skillet you want, make gravy in. I have blackened skillets here. I have 3 blackened skillets, matter of fact. But This morning I'm doing it in here where y'all can kind of see a little better what I'm doing here. Okay. That's coming along really good. Also in my biscuits that I did that I have in the oven, I had the salt and pepper. I forgot to tell y'all to add salt and pepper. But I had added my salt and pepper. I always add that to my flour and mix it in with my flour before I add my butter and baking soda, because I think it seasons it better. It gets it more seasoned better. So in the biscuit, make sure you add the salt and pepper with the dry ingredients. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little flour to this. It's gonna help the gravy thicken later on. I'm gonna add the milk. We're gonna work that flour in there. Sometimes I do the roux method. Y'all can see I do gravy different kinds of ways. I might put roux in there. I might do it this way. Okay. Add the milk in here. This is about 2 cups of milk. Flour cook down a little. Add a little bit more flour. And this recipe, like I say, is on the description of the video. So y'all don't worry. I'm not telling y'all the measurements. The measurements are in there and that recipe works. So I have done them correctly by the recipe, but I've made gravy so many times I can do this in my sleep. Okay, you're gonna slowly add your milk in here. You'll see that gravy start thickening up. See that? See that? You don't want to add too much milk, but you can always add milk, but you can't take away. So you can let it come up to temperature and see how thick you have it. And when it's thick, you add more milk to it. Some people like a thicker gravy, some people like a thinner gravy. It's all up to you what you like. So add a little bit more milk to it. See how easy that is? Like all my recipes, they're all pretty simple. Really simple and easy. And while it's cooking, I'm gonna season my salt and pepper. And this is the only time you'll see me using black pepper. I like the way the black pepper tastes and makes the gravy or sausage gravy look. Most time I use white pepper, but this from the gravy, I use black pepper. Okay. I think that's it. I might have to add a little more milk to it after it gets, sets up. A little bit more, right? A little more milk. I don't want much because I want it to not sit on top of the biscuit, but I like it to flow over a little, but not a lot. That's it. Nice. See the thickness of that? That's what you want on your gravy and your biscuit, your sausage gravy. Very simple, very easy. So I'm gonna turn this off, and matter of fact, I'm gonna let it simmer a couple more minutes, then I'm gonna turn it off and get the biscuits. Got about 10 more minutes to go, and then we're gonna come back, plate up my biscuits, and put the gravy on top of it and show you how it is. Show you how it looks. How thick that is? Let me taste it here. I always taste it and make sure it's good here. Enough seasoning. Oh yeah. Perfectly salt and pepper. Yep, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna cover this When I come back, I might have to add a little bit while I left the milk here. Because when I cover it, it might thicken a little bit more and might have to add some more milk to it. Okay. Add that to that. Put this here to the side, and when we come back, our biscuits will be ready. We'll plate it up, and I'll show you how it is. All right. All right, y'all. We back here. Let's see the biscuits. Oh yeah, biscuits is ready here. Put a little butter on them. A little butter on them here. Brush them. I like to brush mine a little melted butter. A little shine to them. Yeah, that took about 15 minutes. About 20 minutes. See them there? Nice golden brown. Okay, let's check our gravy here. Okay, I don't think I need to add no milk to this. Maybe add a little more milk, not much. And out just a little. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna plate these up here. We're gonna make us some biscuits and gravy here. Plates here. Here, the big one here. I like to get two. There's two ways you can plate these up. You can do it like this, or you can do it my favorite way. I like to open them up. Ooh, they hot. See that steam coming off of that? Woo. Yes, sir. You do them like this. Open them up. Sorry, but these suckers are so hot. There we go. There's two different ways you can do them. Okay, now, pour some gravy on here. Okay, just blow the gravy right up on top. Look at that, look how good that looks. Can't go wrong, or you can do them like this. Either way is good. See that? That's it. Perfect. See that? This is in gravy. You got the split version, or you got the whole version. Once I need to taste a bit of this here and see how it tastes. Biscuits perfectly cooked. Oh my God. It's awesome. Y'all definitely need to try this recipe. Go on there and please give a thumbs up to this video. Please comment, please share it. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.